出发了。
啊，可以去跑跑看。
Province. I think it's the strongest economy province in the whole China.
The whole China.
You know, Guangzhou is great one city. Guangzhou.
Yeah.
And then there's Shenzhen.
Yes.
Shenzhen is right next to Dongguan.
Yeah.
Also great one city.
Sure.
And then there's also like Hong Kong. Hong Kong is right next to Shenzhen.
It's just like this zone is full
It's like Guangzou.
The southern
and then
part.
Dongguan, Foshan.
They are all
factory.
Big, they're all factories.
Really strong in the factory business.
Sure.
And Zhuhai is also there's some factories and companies.
Zhuhai,
And right next to Zhuhai there's Macau. Macau was also like colonized by Portugal.
By Portugal.
Yeah, until 1999. 1999, then Macau was returned to mainland China.
So Macau,
It's a small city, but it's only like for casinos.
Many they speak. I think it's. I see it much in movies like.
Macau, casinos.
Much for casinos.
And also they also speak these local dialect Cantonese.
They speak Cantonese like.
Just like Guangdong.
But they must be speaking Portuguese also.
Not everyone can speak Portuguese. No, not everyone. Maybe like old generations, but now I don't think they speak Portuguese. Capital.
Okay.
But we still have our own system. We have our own education system, we have our own currency, we have our own banking system.
Yes.
Even our own calendar holiday.
It's different from the mainland. Okay.
Like let's say the Chinese Year holiday in China is like almost 2 weeks time of holiday, right? You know, only 3 public holidays, 3 days.
Only 3 days.
Only 3 days. But we have many other holiday occasions like the Christmas time, Easter holiday, like Buddha holiday.
Okay, like the UK
like the
style.
UK, the Western style. You know, when I was a boy, when I was a kid, maybe I spoke English even better than the Mandarin. Because the education system focused more to English.
More to English, okay.
Yeah.
Well, that's good.
But nowadays everybody can speak Chinese, of course. Everybody can speak Chinese.
Yeah. Mandarin is growing so fast and very popular.
Because China is growing so fast. China is the second biggest economy country in the world.
And the demand for Chinese is so high.
And it's a factory of the world.
Yeah, factory of the world.